Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews, where we dive into the latest innovations in drone technology. Today, we're going to explore one of the most anticipated releases of 2024, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This drone is creating significant buzz in the community, and for good reason. With advancements that promise to revolutionize the world of aerial photography and videography, the Mini 5 Pro is said to be a game changer. One of the standout features rumored for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the upgrade to a larger 1-inch sensor. This is a significant leap forward from previous models. A larger sensor known for its ability to absorb more light, which translates to higher image quality. Enhanced resolution allows for clearer and more detailed photos. A broader dynamic range means your images will have richer and more vivid colors. Less noise and low-light photography enables you to shoot in challenging environments without sacrificing quality. Another major enhancement anticipated with the Mini 5 Pro is its extended flight time, reportedly reaching an impressive 40 minutes. Feel free to experiment with various angles and compositions without the pressure of time constraints. For professionals, this flexibility can be a game changer during crucial shoots, enabling you to capture that perfect moment without interruptions. 360-degree awareness. Avoid obstacles in all directions, making it easier to navigate complex environments. Smart return-to-home features. If the battery is running low or the signal is lost, the drone will automatically return to its starting point, reducing the risk of loss. While it boasts impressive features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro maintains a compact and lightweight design. This characteristic is crucial for drone enthusiasts who prioritize portability, making it easy to transport for outdoor adventures or on-the-go projects. With all these remarkable features, what can we expect regarding pricing? The anticipated cost of the Mini 5 Pro is projected to range between $849 and $899. Investing in a high-end drone often means fewer upgrades in the future, as it's built to last and meet professional standards. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just another addition to DJI's impressive lineup. It represents a significant leap forward in drone technology. With enhanced sensor capabilities, extended flight times, superior obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes, this drone is poised to change the game for creators everywhere. Thank you for joining me today on Tech Titan Reviews. If you're as excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro as I am, don't forget to subscribe for more updates, reviews, and insights into the latest in drone technology. Until next time, happy flying.